So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a Bradford white water heater. Being at the top, we gave me some new vent piping, so you got an adjustable 90 at the top, adjustable 90 at the bottom, and a piece of brand new pipe going up there, all screwed together. We give you two valves, hot and cold. It's only required on the cold side, but just so we can get the water back onto the home, we typically will give you a hot valve as well. That way we can shut the water down without any wondering if we're going to get back feed water from the cold over to the hot side, and gets everything wet while we're working. So two brand new, these are Watts full port quarter turn ball valves, so quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Those are nice. And then pure copper construction existing in the home over to brass, and then a brass nipple to Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 0.725 inside diameter. Actually, I've just gone up to 0.75 inside diameter, so these are full 3/4 inch supply lines, ultra flexible. On the hot side goes down to an existing Watts pump. So we're just reinstalled this part. The crossover valve is upstairs in the master. We didn't install that, just reinstalled the pump. Got the clock set, got the timer set according to the homeowner specifications. Then of course down here you can see it just connects right to our brass extensions. We use those just so there's no conflict with the heat trap plastic inserts that are in there. Same on the cold side, valve, brass nipple, stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. Safety and pressure, temperature and pressure relief valve here, safety features. So too much temperature and or pressure builds up in this tank, this is going to pop off and drain to the outside of the building. Yearly, the manufacturer recommends you pop this off to make sure it's functioning correctly. 150 psi spring in here, so you pop it open, you let it drop down. You want to make sure this thing closes. If something's happening and it's running, either this is defective or you've got something going with the water heater. Then of course you've got this tied back into your relief line, which is in the wall, so that's stubbed out and good. Upper third, we've got your adjustable straps per code, and then of course lower third, adjustable straps per code. Over here we just reassembled the fittings you had from your previous water heater. It's all gas. You never use gas and water pipe on the same line, but this was gas installed. Over to a brand new corrugated stainless steel connector. This is coated. Brand new gas shutoff valve. So the burner is lit, and should be about a couple hours before you have hot water. We're going to button up some things here. We got some old metal brackets that are nailed and screwed to the wall, so we're going to button that up. This is your model number, serial number. You can get a hold of Bradford White, give them this information and of course your full name, street address, whatnot, and get your warranty going on it. Outside of that, this installation is done.